Okay, so we have both of these sides of the purses sewn. They're both 6 inches at the top and the bottom. We've trimmed the edges off the sides so that they lay nicely together at the bottom. So what we're going to do now is reverse one side of the purse, and we always want to choose the one that's a little bit thicker than the lighter weight, just because it works better. I've learned that throughout the years. So what I'm going to do is get this one, and I'm going to flip it out to the right side. I'm going to get my thumb and put it way in there in the corner, put my finger against it, kind of pinch it, and just pop it on through. It's a lot easier than struggling with it to make that little corner come out. Just use your fingers to push it out. And now we have this whole, the purse done. Now that we flipped it, we want to go ahead and slip this inside. Maybe put your hand in there like it's a little mitt. Kind of pinch it if you want. And just slip it in. Yeah, and it fits perfectly, of course, because we made it 6 inches exactly at the bottom on both pieces. So there we go. And what we're going to do next is go ahead and sew that little button catch on up here, then put the strap on, then close it, then put the buttons on when you have a purse. So it's really simple.